Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making meatballs in an Instant Pot. What we need for these meatballs is ground meat, either beef or turkey. I'm going to use ground turkey. We also need egg, breadcrumbs, seasonings. I'll use salt and pepper, and we need tomato sauce. So let's start by mixing the meatball mixture. I'm going to take ground meat, open the package, and put the meat in a mixing bowl. And now I will add 1 egg. And half a cup of breadcrumbs. And I will add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And now I'm going to mix this mixture so it's combined. Now the meatball mixture is ready, so we're going to shape it into meatballs and put it in the Instant Pot. So now let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And I will add 1 cup of water. And now I will shape the mixture into meatballs and put in the Instant Pot. So the meatballs are assembled. Now the next step would be to put tomato sauce in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to take a jar of pasta sauce and pour it over the meatballs. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. And I will turn the valve to a sealing position and press the pressure cook button and set it to cook for 10 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam is released and the pin has dropped, so we can open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are the perfectly cooked meatballs. They're perfectly cooked, tender and juicy on the inside. Look at these delicious meatballs. So easy to make in the Instant Pot. Just 10 minutes on high pressure in the Instant Pot and these perfectly cooked meatballs are ready. Now let's try one. Perfect. So tender. These are the most tender meatballs you'll ever make. They taste amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.